Hello everyone, this is Doc from the Wealth Boardroom. Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into a compelling topic, wealth as a choice. We'll be exploring this concept from three fascinating angles: the factors that influence wealth accumulation, how individuals can empower themselves towards financial prosperity, and the steps to building generational wealth. We'll challenge some common misconceptions and arm you with the knowledge to take control of your financial future. Stay tuned as we delve into the factors that influence wealth. Wealth isn't just about luck or external circumstances. There are concrete factors that influence wealth accumulation. Let's start with mindset. Mindset is like the compass that guides our financial journey. For instance, consider the story of Sarah, a single mother who believed in the power of positive thinking. Despite her challenging circumstances, she maintained an abundance mindset, believing there was always enough to go around. She didn't allow her limited income to define her financial future. Instead, she visualized her goals and worked tirelessly to achieve them. Next up, education. Knowledge is power. And in the world of finance, it's the fuel that propels us towards prosperity. Take the example of James, a high school dropout who decided to take his financial future into his own hands. He invested his time in learning about personal finance, stock markets, real estate, and entrepreneurship. His self-education paid off when he started a successful online business, showing us that financial education can open doors to wealth creation. Now let's talk about habits and behaviors. Our daily actions and choices significantly impact our financial health. Let's look at Anna, a young professional who made a conscious decision to live below her means. She prioritized saving and investing over instant gratification. Her frugal lifestyle and disciplined investment strategy allowed her to retire at 45, demonstrating that good financial habits can lead to remarkable results. Lastly, behaviors. Behavioral finance tells us that our emotions and psychological biases often influence our financial decisions. Consider Robert, a seasoned investor who didn't let market volatility sway his investment decisions. He stayed calm during market downturns and stayed true to his long-term investment strategy. His steady approach paid off, proving that keeping emotions in check can lead to better financial outcomes. As we can see, our mindset, level of education, and daily habits play a significant role in our financial prosperity. Now let's shift our focus to how individuals can propel themselves towards financial prosperity. A most essential weapon in our arsenal when it comes to wealth creation is the ownership of our choices. Every choice we make, every penny we spend or save, is a step towards or away from prosperity. Consider the story of Warren Buffett, one of the world's most successful investors. Buffett's wealth did not come from a lottery ticket or a lucky break. It came from a series of deliberate choices, each one a brick in the fortress of his financial empire. He chose to invest in his financial education, to save and invest consistently, and to live frugally despite his increasing wealth. Next, let's talk about setting financial goals and planning. Setting clear, achievable financial goals is like drawing a map to your destination. Without it, you're simply wandering aimlessly. A great illustration of this is the tale of a self-made millionaire, Sarah Breedlove, also known as Madam C.J. Walker. Born to parents who were freed slaves, Walker's journey to wealth was not handed to her. She set a clear goal: to create a successful business around hair care products for African American women. She planned meticulously, learned about the market, and created a product line that was in high demand. Her clear goal and detailed planning led her to become one of the first self-made female millionaires in America. But setting goals and planning aren't enough. You need to pair them with action and persistence. It's one thing to dream of financial prosperity. It's another to wake up every morning and work towards it, day in, day out. Let's look at Elon Musk, a name synonymous with relentless pursuit and innovation. Musk's journey to becoming a multi-billionaire was filled with obstacles, failures, and setbacks. But he didn't allow these hurdles to deter him. He took action, persisted, and kept pushing his boundaries, which eventually led to his extraordinary success. Wealth isn't just about the accumulation of money. It's about creating a life where you're in control of your financial destiny. It's about making choices that align with your financial goals, planning your path, and taking persistent action to turn your dreams into reality. The stories of Buffett, Walker, and Musk are not anomalies. They're the embodiment of the principle that wealth is a choice. These individuals chose to educate themselves, to plan, to act, and to persist. They understood that their financial prosperity was not dependent on luck or circumstance, but on their choices and actions. By taking ownership of our choices and acting persistently towards our goals, we can indeed steer ourselves towards financial prosperity. Now that we understand how to empower ourselves financially, let's talk about the concept of generational wealth. Generational wealth is the financial legacy that gets passed on from one generation to the next. It's about more than just leaving an inheritance. It's about providing the next generation with the financial footing and the knowledge they need to continue building wealth. So, how do we build generational wealth? Let's break it down into three key areas: investing, estate planning, and financial education for the younger generation. Investing is a powerful tool for wealth accumulation. The beauty of investing is that it allows your money to work for you even when you're not actively earning. Think about people like Warren Buffett and Charlie Munger. They didn't amass their wealth through a high salary alone. They invested wisely, and their investments grew exponentially over time. Now, let's talk about estate planning. It might seem a bit morbid to plan for what happens to your wealth after you're gone, but it's a crucial step in preserving generational wealth. Proper estate planning ensures that your wealth is distributed according to your wishes and that it continues to benefit your loved ones long after you're gone. Take the example of the Walton family. Here's to the Walmart fortune. Through careful estate planning, they have managed to preserve and grow their wealth over several generations, becoming one of the richest families in the world. Finally, financial education for the younger generation is key. We need to ensure that the next generation is equipped with the knowledge and skills to manage and grow the wealth they inherit. This is where the story of the Rothschild family comes in. Over centuries, the Rothschilds have prioritized financial education, teaching each generation about investing, banking, and wealth management. As a result, their wealth has not only been preserved, but has continued to grow. But remember, building generational wealth isn't just for the ultra-rich. Even small amounts of wealth, if managed wisely, can grow and provide financial security for future generations. It's about making smart financial decisions, like investing in assets that appreciate over time, setting up a will or a trust, and ensuring that our children and grandchildren understand the value of money and how to manage it. Building generational wealth is a journey. It's about taking the wealth we've accumulated through our own hard work, smart decisions, and a bit of good fortune, and passing it on so that each subsequent generation can stand on our financial shoulders. It's about making sure that our children and their children and the generations that follow have the financial foundation they need to thrive. It's about creating a legacy that lasts. Building generational wealth is a powerful way to ensure financial security not just for ourselves, but for our descendants too. Wealth is indeed a choice, not a matter of luck or circumstance. As we've journeyed through this discussion, we've unpacked the truth that the road to financial prosperity isn't paved with sheer luck or external conditions, but with conscious decisions and intentional actions. It starts with the factors that influence wealth, the mindset that fuels our approach to money, the education that arms us with the knowledge to navigate financial landscapes, and the habits and behaviors that form the bedrock of our financial discipline. Empowering oneself towards financial prosperity, however, goes beyond understanding these factors. It lies in taking ownership of our choices, setting and planning our financial goals, and persisting in our actions to achieve these goals. Wealth isn't just about accumulating riches, it's about gaining the capability to make choices that lead to financial independence. But the vision doesn't stop at personal prosperity. It extends to building generational wealth, the kind that transcends time and impacts future generations. Through real-world examples, we've seen how this is not just a pipe dream, but a tangible reality that can be achieved through strategic planning and disciplined execution. In the grand scheme of things, wealth is a choice to educate oneself, to adopt a positive mindset, to cultivate healthy financial habits, and to persist in the face of adversity. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the Wealth Boardroom for more insights on wealth creation. Until next time, this is Doc signing off.